I'm Tuffy Stone, and this is my grandmother's pineapple hot dish. I'm gonna share with you a recipe that is near and dear to my family, and that's my grandmother Stone's pineapple hot dish. Her name was Florence Stone, was very important not only to me growing up, but to my whole family. Anyway, she was an amazing cook. She would typically serve this pineapple hot dish beside ham. As kids, we always felt like we were cheating a little bit because we felt like we were getting dessert at dinner time. To start with, we're gonna add 22 ounces of crushed pineapple to the bowl of this stand mixer. I'm gonna add 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 whole eggs, 1/2 stick butter softened, and lastly, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna use a paddle attachment for the stand mixer, and we're gonna just mix this until all the ingredients are well combined. Now I'm gonna pour my mixture into my oven-proof casserole dish. I'm gonna put this in the oven now, which I've preheated for 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna bake it for 20 minutes, then I'm gonna turn it, set the timer for another 20 minutes. We wanna bake it until it sets. Just a side note for this dish, this can reheat and be better sometimes the next day. So if you want, bake it the day before, then the day of service, just warm it in the oven to serve. So I think you would all agree this smells amazing. As I shared before, my grandmother used to serve this beside ham. It's an excellent dish that pairs really well with smoked and grilled meats. It also goes well with ice cream.